What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm happy to be filming another what can we call it, another video basically talking about the releases that are coming out imminently and in a little bit of time from LV. Okay, I hope you're ready, but first of all, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Adila. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I hope you guys are doing well. Of course, if you're lux obsessed and into anything luxury, be that handbags, be that jewelry, a little bit of debate depending on luxury news, then this is the channel for you. So definitely subscribe. I can wait for you to do it. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. I know I'm extra, but it's okay. You will enjoy me on this channel. And if you were already subscribed and you're returning, then hi, I appreciate you also. Okay, let's get on with the video. So if you didn't catch my other video, this one, I'm going to link it down below. I'll pop it right up here on the screen so you guys can watch that one as well to understand what other pieces are coming out. But as of now, let's talk about some of the new pieces that I've seen in the collection. First of all, I'm going to start with the new Vivienne Christmas Collection. Now, I'm not very much of like a Vivienne follower. You know, I don't own any Vivienne pieces just yet because, I don't know, she hasn't really grown on me yet. But I do believe that this time around there's a couple of pieces that I do want to manage to get my hands on. If you're somebody who buys into Louis, it's a nice little gesture to collect them over the years. As always, I'm going to look at my phone and I'm going to throw the images up here so you guys can have a look with me. Okay, so we have this little number right here, which is the mini pochette. And it has the little Viviennes in bumper cars. I think this is so cute. I mean, I can't even. I'm still trying to get the mini pochette, by the way. It's so hard to find. I'm like, Jesus. Let's move on to the next one. So we have this one, which is like a carousel ride that she's on. We have some purple burgundy colours. I think that's super cute as well. Look at the detailing of the clouds. I mean, you can't miss the details. So let's move on. We have the same printing on this, I don't know, mini pochette wallet thing. I'm not sure, but that's cute. I do love this one. This one is my favourite, I must admit. This one is so cute. I love it. So cute. I mean, look at the little like carriage that she's sitting in. It's like a little Louis trunk carriage. That's so cute. Love this. Giving me like Vegas vibes. We have a little queen purse which has a, what's this ride called? She's on like a little swing. So cute. Love that. This one is the edition with the bumper cars. I think that's pretty cute as well. And here we are again. We have the pochette with the little tab. If you notice, the other one was in vachetta, but this one looks like it's maybe dyed pink. The little tab, the hanging tab is on the side. So that's cute as well. We have this mini, it's like a mini pochette with a little chain. I do think that's kind of cute, honestly. And then we have this card holder, or passport holder potentially, which is sweet as well. It looks like they're using the same type of prints across the board, which is cool. We have a full-size wallet with the same type of print, so we have the full swing image here. Then we have this one on the epi leather with some cloud detailing. That almost looks like it's slightly 3D, and well, the clouds look like it. Here again we have a full-size wallet with the roller coaster ride and the trunk carriage detailing, which I'm here for. Bumper cars again and a full-size wallet. Love that. Swing wallet on the zippy wallet. Another full-size wallet. Another zippy wallet. Another zippy wallet in the epi leather. Another zippy wallet. And another zippy wallet. Oh my god, and another full-size wallet. Okay, so there's a lot of additions and choices that you guys can pick from in this collection. I will be shooting them here so you can kind of see and get the feel that this is printed on. So that's fabulous. Love that. What we're going to do is we're going to move on. I will leave them playing right here whilst I'm finding the next item that I saved on my phone. Oh, and before I continue, in case you haven't watched my other video, then I did let you guys know how to find out in terms of what are the pre-releases and things like that before Louis officially announces them as well. There's a couple of accounts on Instagram that do release this information, so do follow them. You'll see their handle name in the images that I am screenshotting, so definitely go and follow them if you want the loop in on that as well. Or of course you can just subscribe to my channel and I'll give you the information first hand. Okay, so the next pieces that we're going to be talking about is this one, which is a trio pouch, which is coming out on July 24th. This one is stunning. I love it. I think it's just giving me, I don't know, it's giving me a vibe. It's giving me something that I feel like, oh, it's a little bit saucy, you know. I love it. It's really nice. The other ones in this collection I think are a little bit too much for me, so personally if I was going to get one item it would be this one. Let me know what you think. But let's move on. Here we have this crafty monogram, which is out on July 31st in the red and white. It's a cosmetic pouch similar to the Toiletry 26. Same crafted design in a black and red combo, and this one is coming out on July 31st. Love that. And then here again we have that same item, which actually, I'm going to take my words back. This one is kind of cute too. It's a toiletry pouch in like a tan, cream, black, like print. I'm so here for this one. This one is so cute. And I also think that it switches things up and gives a little bit of a difference to the regular monogram Toiletry 26. So if you don't already have one, you know how hard it is to get the Toiletry 26, so maybe just go ahead and get this one if it's to your fancy. Here we have the same crafty monogram, this like tan orange color. It is a zippy wallet, and then here we have a cosmetic pouch in the same orange black. Again, same print, same colors in the keep all, which is really nice. I mean, it's very, very busy, not gonna lie, but if this is for you, or you've been waiting for something that's kind of like really heavy on the print, then this might be the way for you to go. Absolutely. Okay, so as you can see from this image here, there is a couple of items that are going to be coming out in the crafty monogram print as well. So so we have the Neo Amma, we have the Neo Away brown, the Neo Away white, you have the On The Go white, On The Go black, the Pochette Matisse in the white, Pochette Matisse in the black. We also have the wallets and things that I just showed you a second ago. So of course, here you can see some of the item numbers. So if you do want to note some of those items down, then definitely do that and speak to your SAs and your CAs and that type of thing. Maybe there's pre-orders, I don't really know on that information, but definitely take these SKUs and speak to your SAs. There's two more items I actually want to talk to you guys about. One of them is a pair of shoes. I know, I always have to throw in a pair of shoes. Okay, so they are these little fluffy numbers here with a little bit of monogram leather on the, you know, the little top part of the foot. Now, these are women's collection, and I don't know how much they retail for, but I think they're so cute, they're stunning. I'm here for it. I don't actually know if they're indoor or outdoor. Let me know, would you wear these inside or outside? I don't know. I'm not sure. Okay. But one thing I do know is that I think they're so cute. So cute. I literally think I would wear them outside. But they might be intended for indoors. I can't tell. But either way, I'm here for the moment. Maybe not during summer, but definitely during winter. Okay, so the other one is a summer accessory for sure. It's going to be this little baseball hat here. So as you can see, we have it with the monogram print on the little lip part. And then we have this canvas, or maybe it looks like, I'm not entirely sure what material is on the top part, but we have this one, and they also have, I mean, look at it on this model, absolutely stunning. I love it, I'm here for it. And they also have it in a black colorway. That top part almost looks like it's going to be suede, but I do want to include one from my last video that I still think is an item to consider, which is the Nice Nano. Now, if you guys haven't seen that, again, I will throw out some images right now so you guys can see. But this one is so cute, it's adorable, it's everything, and I believe the release date is imminent, like any day now, and you can pre-order this item. So if you want to do that, then go ahead and pre-order your SAs, CAs, blah blah blah, or just call the 800 number. I love this little bag. Honestly, it's like I don't even know what I would fit inside it, but the fact that it's just so cute and just it's just one of those things that it's like I just have to have it because it's cute, you know. For now, you guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, I will always update you with the upcoming Louis pieces if and when I know about them. Of course, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, then definitely subscribe. If you are already, then thanks for coming back. Do follow me on Instagram. I love to have a chat with you guys, okay? So DM me, send me a message, let's have a chat. Other than that, if you haven't had enough, then definitely click this video right here, or maybe this one over here. And like I said, follow me on Instagram. Yes, I am definitely on Instagram. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.